All right, we're gonna make some rainbow spring rolls today. And this is a great dish to make because kids love them, adults love them, and you can eat them at room temperature. Spring rolls are traditionally from Vietnam, and these are my very non-traditional take on that dish. Life can be a struggle, but a good meal doesn't have to be. We can make creative, nutritious, and inventive dishes that won't break the bank. We'll eat well and save money, because that's what we do. Welcome to Struggle Meals. So we're gonna start off by cooking some rice noodles. These are vermicelli, and they're classic in a dish like this. We're gonna put these noodles in. I'm gonna let them boil. Follow your package instructions. They cook pretty quickly. After just a minute, you should be able to come in and sort of break apart the noodles a little. Once these are done, I'm gonna rinse them under cool water so they stop cooking and they don't stick to each other. Let me show you how to matchstick a carrot. So the first thing you do is cut off the end, and then you're looking for 2-inch long pieces. So basically I'm going for this long, skinny shape for all my vegetables. Does it have to be perfect? Nah. Let me tell you about the colors of the rainbow and my little friend Roy G. Biv. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Now, we don't have all of those, but we do have green, yellow, purple, orange, and other shades of green. All our vegetables and noodles get wrapped up in rice paper. This is how it comes. It comes kind of hard. This is super easy to find in a lot of grocery stores. Right where they keep the seaweed or the nori, this is usually hanging out there. Obviously, we can't wrap this up. We have to rehydrate it. So we do that very simply by soaking it in water. You do these one at a time. You don't want them to stick together as you're doing it. Kind of prepare your cutting board by making it a little bit wet. We'll lay it on the water. The idea of the water is so that this doesn't stick. Well, let's get some carrots in here. We're gonna go with some mango. So we got some cucumber happening, shredded cabbage. Got some noodles here. I'm gonna lay some mint right here. Some basil in the middle. Some cilantro, maybe on this side. I'm gonna grab up this end. I'm gonna fold the sides up, wrapping this tightly. Boom. And there she is. Look, different shades of green. You come around and you got the orange and the yellow and the purple. All right, so we'll put that right there. Let's do it again. The idea here is that you can basically make the same thing for the whole family, but they are customizable and you can see what's inside. So if someone doesn't like a certain ingredient, boom, they don't have to cut it open to find out. They can just see right in. Mommy, I don't like cabbage. You can see that it's not there. Now dip it in the sauce and eat it. The spring rolls are looking great, but they're gonna be even better with a dipping sauce. We start off with some creamy peanut butter. Now, if peanuts kill you, find something else. Tahini is a good substitute for peanut butter. Put a little bit of sesame oil with that. 2 cloves of fresh garlic. We're just gonna microplane that right in. Let's add some acidity in the form of fresh limes. I'm gonna zest this lime before I juice it. Oh, this is gonna be so good. I can smell it already. Let's go in with some fresh scallion. We're gonna get the umami saltiness from some soy sauce. And to get even more flavor, let's head to the packet drawer and grab some packets. Sriracha, red pepper, honey for sweetness. Depending on how much juice you get out of your limes, you're gonna have something that's maybe like this or even tighter. So we can come in with some water, a little bit at a time, and just sort of thin it out. I'm gonna add some salt too. When I imagine dipping into this, I want it saucy, not really peanut buttery. Everything's ready. Let's pack up this lunchbox. Let's start with the dipping sauce. It's very important to keep these separate. It'll create sogginess, right? All the pleasure will be gone. Gotta keep it separate. All right, lunch is all packed up. I'm going to work. See you later.
It's lunchtime.
After a dreary day of TPS reports, all the colors of the rainbow are staring me in the face. What an uplifter. I've got a room temperature meal that is not going to expire. It comes in at $1.70 a serving, which certainly beats going to a food cart. Now let's see what this thing tastes like. Ah, the aroma of peanut butter and lime right away hits me. And the rainbow roll. Oh yeah. This is very exciting. So fresh. The spring roll tastes as delicious as it looks. You like window shopping before you buy. Buy, bite. This is definitely a lunch to look forward to.